Hello. Okay, this human's hungry. I require food. I've been busy all morning. It's 11:56. We're gonna make some ramen. This is my version of ramen. I have not done anything like, this is my version of ramen, don't come at me. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to probably put this to music. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Okay, let's get going on making it. Okay, so I'm gonna boil some eggs in here so I can make them nice soft boil. And oops, I put a little too much. I'm just putting in some baking soda so that way they peel nice and easy. I'm gonna boil my noodles in that pot over there. Yeah, I'm gonna be making 3 pots dirty in order to make my lunch. So there's gonna be a lot of dishes, but that's okay. All right, now we're gonna set you to music. Okay, eventually you'll get set to music. So in mine, I'm going to put a carrot, because I want a carrot. I'm gonna put 1 baby bok choy in there. I found this and I really like it. It is Chinese broccoli. It is so good. And I'm gonna put some leeks in. And I think that's it, minus the egg and the noodles and the sauce. But the sauce you'll see in a minute. Okay, so let me get this all prepared. Well, not the leeks, everything else. Okay, now it's to music. Okay, haven't put the eggs in yet, I gotta do that. So I'm going to use pork broth for making my soup base. Okay, just going to put my eggs in. And I have a little egg poacher thing, timer thing. Okay. So I want, whoops, my miso. I want this one and I want that. Actually, I don't want that one. I want ash. No. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. I'm gonna walk you through everything I have here. This is kind of an experiment. I've never done it this way. So that's why maybe it's like, you know what, I'll I'll just record everything. So we're going to put the pork broth in, 2 cups. Turn the heat on. Put my package of noodles in. Or not my package, but my one rice cake. These are just, I don't know how well you can see that or not. Sorry, I got the lights all over. It's black noodles, it's black rice. Just gonna pop that in. Okay, so we've got pork broth in there. We're gonna get the leeks in. A good amount of leeks. Oh, I don't have it very high. Let's put it on high because I want this to heat up. Okay, so we got the leeks in there. I'm going to put some brown rice miso. I can't find red miso up here where I am. I still gotta find that. I'm gonna put yay much in. And then here I have some organic, what is it, this white miso. Oh, can you see? Right there, just some white miso. I'm gonna put yay much in. Now, I'm gonna put some chili oil in. This isn't hot chili oil, this is just regular chili oil. Stir that up. And I'm gonna put a blob of that in. And I want some parsley. And some vegetable salt. But like the vegetable bouillon. I hate that sound. I don't know why I keep doing that. Oh, I think my light is dying in my stove. Or the hood range, I should say. Sorry, it's not stove, it's the hood range. Did you see that flickering? Gosh, I'm sorry. I did not know that was going to happen. We'll just turn it off. Okay. I'm going to be right back. I got it. Actually, I can just turn that light on. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm hoping that light is good enough. I won't know until I do the playback. Okay, so I got my bok choy in here and the Chinese broccoli and my carrots. It's all going in there and that's going to just cook. Okay, so we'll be back in about 3 minutes or so. I just checked the vegetables. They're still cooking. The broth tastes amazing because I just tried it. So we're going to make it. I have some ramen bowls. I love ramen so much. I was like, you know what? I'm going to get some dishes. So we've got a ramen bowl here. I have washed or I've drained and I've rinsed off my noodles. So they're going to go in the bottom. 1 second. I got to crack my eggs open. Okay, there's one egg. I overcooked it just a smidgen bit. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay, I'll be right back when the vegetables are all done. Okay, so I've got my vegetables and I've got my broth. I was letting it sit and cool for a little bit so I figured I would just do the dishes while I was waiting. I'm going to scoop out my vegetables and get those in here. Oh, yummy. Because I just don't know if all the broth will fit. Oh, look at all those vegetables. Ooh! I just didn't know if all the broth would fit in here, so I didn't want to just pour it in. Well, this will fill me up for quite a while. Oh yeah, it'll all fit in there. Okay, perfect. I got my little spoon here. Where are you? Oh, there you are. So I got my little spoon here. It's still quite hot. But oh, that is delicious. Yep, that is. Okay. I am gonna go eat my lunch and then carry on. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed that video. There'll probably be more videos like this coming. All right, so if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.